I want to show you our EPOS system demo for hospitality. This system is designed in order to provide you the most flexibility possible that you are looking from an EPOS systems perspective. The software is suitable for takeaway, restaurants, cafes, fast food, retail shops, and definitely it has the added advantage of integrated online ordering system. So you can also receive online bookings for your table as well as your online orders for takeaway and collection in this system straight away. So in order to log in, we have two methods of logging in. You can either have your staff name visible on the screen by clicking, they can log in, or they can use their password to log in. So using password allows you to monitor who is doing sales and what is being sold. So let's log in using the button mode for now. Let's click on admin and you have immediately set up as the table plan because it is actually designed for a restaurant. You can click table number 12 and it will ask you how many people are dining in. You can say 3, press OK, and that will take you to table number 12. You can see here table number 12 cover 3 for dining in. You can start taking your orders in any order you like, but the system basically organizes it by the categories which is defined by the back office. So in kitchen, it prints starter first, then the main courses, then the desserts. Obviously, if you have a separate printer for bar, it goes to the bar. Bar drinks does not go to the kitchen. And also for takeaway and collection orders, it also prints accordingly, and also with a delivery note that gives customers information, address, delivery details, and contact number, plus any notes for the food. So let's start taking some orders. So let's start from, say for example, customer choose to start with main dishes. So you can go to seafood and you can click any of the item. It has options whether you need with sea bass or king prawn. You select king prawn. Then you go back to any of your appetizers. You can select whichever you want. It has salt and pepper. You want it with prawns or chicken wings. You have stir fries, pad thai. Then you have choices, prawns or chicken. Now, say for example, you want to make a note on pad thai, you want to make it more spicy or something, customer gives you a special preference. So you can click on that or tap on that item and you can write special notes. You can say less chili. So it will also print in the kitchen. After that you have taken this order, you can press park sale. It will save the order. And you can see the table number 12, the bill is currently 3780 and this shows the time the table has been taken. Now collection and delivery is also made possible. So collection and delivery, I'll show you how you can do collection and delivery. So you change the mode for collection delivery. You can do it by clicking here collection, or you can just click here on the side panel to change as well to delivery. So delivery for a restaurant setting is typically you take the orders um, of the items and then we press park cell. It will ask you the contact number. Now if the customer has caller ID enabled, so this mode basically comes first. So if you have caller ID and postcode database integrated, so when the customer comes, this screen actually pops up and where you see the customer details. So you will see the customer details first. Okay, so if you have the caller ID, so your call come through to the telephone line, you will see this screen first. So you see the customer details and then basically you can select whether he want a collection or a delivery to start with, as if the caller ID is not connected to our like demo system. So that's why we're doing it this phase on a later stage. So you can save this option or you can take a payment over the phone from the customer as well, or if customers prefer to pay on collection or delivery, then basically you can simply press save and that order is saved under a delivery tab. So you can see the delivery customers here, all the delivery orders are actually queued up here. You can also receive all the online orders, they also come here and you can filter the online orders and pause orders in this section as well. Same for the collection and the delivery. um, Now if your customer decides to add more item in a dining in, It's simply you can click on this order. It will print, it will open the order, and you will see the printer sign next to it. That indicates the order has been printed before. That means it's been sent to kitchen. Now you can add few new items as well. Say for example, customer decides to add one salad. You can add one labgai, and maybe another noodles and sides. Okay, and some drinks. You can add some Coca-Cola bottle and a mineral water bottle. Some bar menu you can go, and they want to add two tiger beer and um, one chang beer. Okay, you can press park again, so it will send the drinks to the drinks menu and the food to the kitchen. It will only send the new foods that has been added. That means starting from the lab guide to to chang beer to the relevant printer. It will not print the whole order. Okay, the park cell. Now requesting bill again. See if this table is actually finished eating. You can simply go here and you can print a bill. Okay, it will print an unpaid bill, and then once the customer actually makes the payment by cash or card, you can come back to the table and simply close the table. You can add a delivery charge to the deliveries, and I'll show you to the delivery orders as well. Now say for example customer decides to pay you £70 by cash. It shows you the change, how much is due. You can print a paid bill, or if customer don't want a bill, you can simply close it. Now the table becomes free. In delivery as well, if customers actually has paid, you can simply tick and receive cash or card for this as well. Okay, typically if they are paid by cash, you do it at the end of the day, where you can filter by all paid orders and unpaid orders, pending orders, and you can receive payments um, for all the deliveries or collections at a time. By if you have multiple drivers, you can assign the orders to the drivers, so you can filter them by name as well. So when you're doing the caching up, you can simply select driver A, driver B, or driver C, and they will give you all the money that they have taken the order for. Okay, so let's assume this one has been actually paid by card, so you can simply press by card, and that will confirm the amount, whether this is the amount you received. You can press yes. So basically, do you want to print a receipt? No. Okay, now changing price is a concern that many of the customers has. So basically we have very easy options to change prices for your menus, and also you can add new menus quite easily to the system. So in order to do that, we go onto the settings button, which is the green button on top. We go to programming and we system program. Now to change price, we have two ways we can do price. One is a long way, of course, like people know the conventional method of going into products. You can edit and change price. This way it takes longer than normal. So we have another option here as well, which is called uh, bulk price entry. If you go to bulk price entry, so this actually opens up the table where you can see the same item that you charge for takeaway price and collection price or eating price as well. So you can simply change the prices of these items here and press save at the end. That will straight away change the prices. Say for example, we can filter for some drinks. Now drinks, I want to change Red Bull to 250. I want to Coca-Cola bottle to 250, and ginger ale to 250, uh, Red Bull again 250. Okay, say for example we've just done Coca-Cola bottle, Red Bull, um, some of the drinks I've just changed. Coca-Cola bottle and Red Bull to 250. I've just saved it. Now if we go back to the pause, go to menu, go to drinks, see Coca-Cola bottle we charged £2 before, it's gone to 250, and Red Bull also gone to 250, ginger ale gone to 250. We just changed these prices. Now there is another option we have where you can add products very quickly without having to go into long-winded process. So we go onto the settings button, programming, we close this, we have an option called quick product input. So we click on this one, and then you have this menu that pops up. We select default, which is our takeaway menu, dine-in menu, and we want to add under drinks menu some new drinks. Say I want to add prime drinks, and I want to give it a price $3.99. Department is drinks, group is beverage, tax category is 20% included in the price, and I want to change the color. Say for example, I want to change it to a different color, and I will press save and add new if I want to add more. Now prime, say prime shape, I want to change this one, same price, or maybe $3.95. I want to change the color to this color. I want to save, so I just wanted to add two more items. Now if I go back here, drinks menu, we just need to refresh the screen. We just refresh the screen. That means we just off the software and on it back, so it actually reloads the database from the server. Now we go back to drinks menu, and we have added prime drinks and prime shake. It's very simple to add actually. Also we have another mode where we can change price. We have total control of the system, and obviously we can give you the total control as well, so that you can manage everything yourself. I want to add one more control button here, whereby instead of going into change price from the back end, we want to do it from the program menu. So let's add a new button, programming, and we want to add a new button to this screen. We call it as a status key. Let's name it programming mode. We have so many options available, and this is all open to you as well. As you learn the system, you have total control over the system, so basically you become independent. Programming mode, and I wanted to place it into status key. I want to give it a color, orange color, is 55, button size. I want to add, and I want to save. Now we have added a new button here. We just need to refresh it again. We just on it and off it to synchronize it. So new button has synchronized. See, we have added a new button called programming mode. Now this has a very easy function. It makes people's life a lot easier. In programming mode, if you go to programming mode, so it asks you what you want to do in programming. You want to change price, or you want to change name, departments, and you can check like change price as well. So let's say I want to change price on the screen rather than having to go back. So I select price and I press OK. Now anything we choose, it will ask you to enter price. Say prime drink, you want to change from $3.99 to $2.99. It immediately changes the price. I want to change this prime shake to 285. It immediately changes the price. Coca-Cola, I want to change it back to £2, and Red Bull is 250 is fine. Ginger ale, I want to charge 199. So once it's all changed, we press cancel button twice, and see, if you go back to drinks, everything is changed back to the new prices. So this is simple. This is how easy the software is to change price. We can also do a lot of things on this system. Most importantly, people sometimes say, okay, we are busy today, we want to off our online ordering. So we have complete control of your system from here as well. Website settings allow you to control your online ordering if we integrate it. you'd be able to change or disable categories completely. Say if you run out of this category and you don't want to order from this category today, you can disable it, or you can disable some of the items that you don't want today. You can also do modifier off and on as well. Say for example, for pad thai, you run out of chicken, so you can disable this option as well. So online, people won't be able to see this. Okay, they will be able to select the rest. We also have options to allocate tables, so you can enable and disable servings on the table. So if you think this is a minor table, you don't want to serve alcohol on this table, so you can basically disable these tables. Okay, and also you have these options here where you can disable the website for receiving collections or delivery orders for the day. So if you say, okay, no, fine, I don't want to receive any orders today for delivery, you can simply tick this one, close for delivery. You can increase the time to 60 minutes, or you want to completely disable the online ordering systems today so that you have no online orders. So you can tick on emergency close, so it will actually mark the location as closed today. So if people go online to place order, they will say, they will see no online orders been received today. So this is how you can control your business from a EPOS point of view. We also have a very powerful admin panel, which you can actually control from your home, from your laptop. You can see reports, your takings, your hourly sales average, your best-selling items. You can also change prices and everything from there. You can also do promotion settings. You can on and off the website. Everything you can do from the cloud admin as well. So the cloud admin, I will open and I'll show you. See, this is a cloud admin for one of our client. So basically that actually shows you your monthly sale, what you have done so far, April, how much you did. That actually shows you your hourly sales figures, sales versus refund, your top selling products, lot of stuff you can see from here, your top customers, and few more details you can see. Also, you can manage your location as well, by going into your restaurants. You can do working hours. You can set up the time, so when you are open, when you are closed, all you can actually set from this system as well. If you want to change your opening hours, you can do collection time, delivery time. You can all control from here. Our website basically is bolt on to your EPOS system, and also it has a reservation module as well. You can do your bookings and everything through the site. Okay, we have a lot of marketing announcements as well. You can do push notifications if you have an app. So all these you can do from this app. It's all part of the bundle, but of course, depending on what you are looking for and what we can actually agree on. But this software can satisfy you completely. There are a lot of options we have, like reports also gives your batch report, your low inventory report, your expenses report, sell by date, your reservations, clock in, clock out, which is another free options that we have, void reports, void sales report, which is controlled by the owner. So basically your staff won't be able to see this if you don't allow them to see it. You will be able to see how much money you have lost through cancelled transactions. Many complaints we have heard, like people put items on the card, then they receive cash and they just dismiss it because customer didn't ask for a receipt. They take cash and the money is lost. But our system can track how many times a delete or cancel button is been pressed without saving the order. And also that gives you a very important savings information as well, like how much you have saved money from unauthorized delete. You can also track which staff basically deleted the cell. You can add a delivery charge, you can remove the delivery charge. We have several discount schemes as well. You can do your own discounts. You can by percent, by amount. You can remove the discounts if you want. You can add or delete service charge from a table if you like, or if you don't want to add a service charge, you can simply press the same button. So we have everything that a business could actually ask for, especially hospitality. This is built on a Windows platform. It is definitely more robust than an Android platform and Android softwares. And basically, you can achieve most of the things that you cannot achieve from an Android or a low cost EPOS system. It needs a resourceful machine as well. That's why we couple with Z1 Neo or Hanasys EPOS bundles. They are a perfect companion for a powerful EPOS software that your business can run on. Hope this actually shows you the insight of the software. And if there is any question, please contact us on our mobile number, um, or our direct contact number, so we can basically discuss more in details what probably you need. Contact Chill Machine on 07988651281 or by calling office. Um, if you have any questions, please contact us on these numbers below. Um, you can you can contact us anytime you like. We are open until 10 p.m. at the night and serving from 8 a.m. in the morning. Our support is based in UK, and basically we have a record number of attendance. We try not to hold you on. If you are having a problem, we try to log into your system within 5 minutes. So that is the most reliability you're gonna get from us. We have resources available. We don't actually, keep you waiting longer. uh, we have WhatsApp number the same as our mobile number, so you can always contact us on WhatsApp, and our support is hands-on. So we try to and we aim to connect you within 5 minutes, so at least your problem is sorted right and then without having you to wait longer. So hope this demo satisfies you. If there is anything else you need to know, please come back to us on the number provided on the screen. I'll show you the number one more time so you can make a note. And yeah, I look forward to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye bye.